The Order Block Finder indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can access the indicator on the TradingView website. Traders can read to understand the indicator's functionality. Access it on TradingView by searching its name and selecting it. Quickly add to favorites using Add to Favorite. To access the indicator, find and select the indicator to access it quickly. Add it to favorites using the Add to Favorite option. It will then draw green bullish and red bearish order blocks. For faster and easier access to this indicator, add it to your indicators by activating the Add to Favorite option. The indicator finds and draws bullish, green, and bearish red order blocks, ideal for ICT traders seeking support, resistance, and high potential order blocks. It spots order blocks, shaping market moves, aiding traders. This indicator is ideal for ICT traders seeking support, resistance zones, and high potential order blocks. It identifies order blocks where market orders have formed, displaying them. This indicator identifies order blocks. We had a bearish order block. In Settings, Options exist. Here we had a bearish order block where the price interacted with it and then dropped afterward. In this range, another order block was identified, and when the price returned to this area, we observed a quick and sharp reaction. The price interacted with our bearish order block again. In the Settings section, there are options available for us. With this option enabled, the ranges are optimized to a certain extent, and by disabling this option, it identifies all the order block ranges and displays them for traders. In this section, there are options for us. When this option is enabled, the ranges are optimized to a certain extent, and by disabling this option, it identifies all the order block ranges and displays them for traders. The next section is about the type of box drawing, has two modes, defensive and aggressive. Choosing the defensive mode, the order block ranges are minimized to the minimum, while choosing the aggressive mode maximizes the ranges to the maximum for a better risk-reward ratio. Also, traders can see a 50% range in order blocks displayed as a dotted line to show the best range for entering trades. It maximizes the ranges, making the risk-to-reward ratio reasonable. Traders can see a 50% range within the order blocks. You can adjust the highest level option as needed. Traders can see a 50% range within the order blocks, shown as a dotted line, for the best range for entering trades. Next, disable the highest level option to keep this feature active for higher prices. Disable lower levels to show less important prices. Enable to display the last support level. Enable or disable the highest level option. Enable or disable the display of lower levels. Display the last support level. Display the last resistance level. Enabling this option will display the higher level prices for us. The next option is to enable or disable the display of lower levels, which shows us price levels of lesser importance. In the next section, we have the option to display the last support level, and by enabling this option, it will show us the last support level. In the next section, we have the option to display the last resistance level, which will indicate our resistance range, while this will be our support range. In the next section, you can adjust the color of the demand order blocks. You can easily adjust the color and various different shades or tones of the supply order blocks. You can enable or disable the alert in this section, which is set to on by default, and you can turn it off if you want. You can set alert name in this section. You can set the type of alert with 3 modes: all, 1 peer bar, and pin bar close. Select all to get alerts when the price reaches the zone limits. Choose 1 peer bar to get alerts if the price reaches the order block limits. Select pin bar close to get alerts if the price reaches the order block limits and the candle closes. Set your UTC time zone for alerts. When the price approaches the order block limits, it will send you an alert. By selecting the Every Bar Close option, you will receive an alert whenever the price reaches the order block limit and the candle closes. In the next section, you can set your own time zone based on UTC to send the Ushtar to you based on UTC. In the next section, you can enable or disable the display of more detailed explanations. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you could share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.